Combination method a little different. When the Sandy combine like it, yes, yani, yes, plus a 3 yani. Here, yes, sa is the case ending, and here indri yani ni also case ending. When they combine case ending, it does it elide. Only this vowel, drop it and then combine it. Sandy combination method is the just dropping the vowel and combine two. Meaning it also doesn't combine. When we translate at the time, we need to separate again, and with the case ending we will translate it. Case ending doesn't drop. Yes, sir. Whosoever. We will translate it. And in the real faculty, whosoever faculty, we will translate it. Sandy combination method like this. But Samāsa is not like this. Samāsa means we already know the Mahapurisa. Mahapurisa is the Maha come from the Mahanta plus Purisa. This Mahanta is meaning the great. Purisa means the man or being, something like this. Therefore, when the Samāsa combine, meaning it also combine. Case ending it also drop it. In this way, combination method is not the same. The purpose of the Sandy is the easy to recite only. Yes, Indriyani, we need to pronounce long time. Yes, Indriyani, easy to pronounce to combine the Sandy method. Samāsa is the easy to pronounce and combine the meaning as well. We combine it. Therefore, Samāsa combination method and Sandy combination method are not the same. Okay, this is the combination method. Sandy, we can be the Sandy so many different types of the words. But Samāsa is the mostly the noun and noun combination. Noun plus noun combination. Mostly, not ever. Be careful. Samāsa means the noun plus noun. Sometimes we will combine adjective plus noun. And noun plus adjectives. Sometimes adjectives plus adjectives also. But when we talk about the Samāsa, many people, oh, Samāsa means combination of the noun plus noun. They will say generally. This is the general truth. Mostly, according to the percentage, maybe 75%. Adjective plus noun, 5, something like this. Therefore, percentage is so many. Therefore, when they are talking Samāsa, oh, Samāsa means generally noun plus noun. Is it enough? They will say it. But noun plus noun is the 75%. But other technique also we will see. This is the Samāsa. Generally, we taught the noun plus noun. To combine the Samāsa, to create the Samāsa, basically we need to know the noun plus noun. Why we need to combine to use the Samāsa means the Upa Nagara. Upa is the prefix. Nagara is the noun. Sometimes prefix plus noun also we use.
Nagara means city.
Yeah, Nagara means city. Prefix here, we already studied the prefix in the BAA, Upa. Upa Gichiti, right? At the time, change Gichiti means the go. But because of the Upa plus
Grow up.
Gichiti. Gichiti means the go. Upa means the
Yeah.
no.
Sweep up.
Because of the approach. When we combine these two meaning, the approach meaning. Normally, Gichiti meaning the go, but because of this prefix meaning change. Basically, Upa or prefix 3 times. You already know we have ready, live or dwell or stay. We translate it like this. When we could analyze this one, we is the prefix, root is the ha, conjugation and sign is the t. Ha means the to carry. But why here meaning change live, dwell, stay? Because of the we. At the time, this we change the another meaning. Therefore, we had a D, we translated it live, dwell, stay. Prefix had the 3 power, sometimes to change the opposite meaning of the root. Yeah, plus Gichiti. Gichiti means the go. Because of the change the meaning, can opposite meaning. Prefix had the opposite meaning to change the root meaning oppositely. Here is the carry to another meaning. We change it another meaning. Anu plus Gichiti. At the time, meaning the follow. This Anu just follow the root meaning. Doesn't change any other meaning. Go and follow same meaning. Therefore, according to the prefix 3 times. Pali is the Dhatuta Nuvataka. Maybe past time for you. But here in this one, that from Myanmar, they had it. Dhatuta Nuvataka means follow the root meaning. Just what it appears increase, but meaning doesn't change. Dhatuta Nuvataka. Here is the Dhatuta we see Saka. That means the root meaning change to the special another one. Here carry to live, dwell, stay. Here Dhatuta Bhadaka. Bhadaka means the prevent, opposite meaning of the root. Go to camp, opposite meaning change. 3 types of the prefix. For the Pali media, we need to know these 3 types of the prefix. Many things put in the prefix, change the root meaning, opposite and other meaning. Okay.
So now can you write again clearly about how where Pali term for the root change the operates because of prefix or the
You mean the three types of the
yeah
prefix?
yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
ဓာတွဋ္ဌနဝတ္တကာမိသည် just follow the root meaning ဓာတွဋ္ဌဘာဒကာမိသည် prevent or opposite of the root meaning go to camp ဓာတွဋ္ဌဝိသေသကာမိသည် making the special of the root meaning this is the prefix ယဓာတွဋ္ဌနဝတ္တကာမိသည် အနုကိစ္ဆတိ ဓာတွဋ္ဌဘာဒကာမိသည် အာကိစ္ဆတိဓာတွဋ္ဌဝိသေသကာမိသည် ဝိဟရတိ Harati means the carry, but because of the weight change that left meaning, stay meaning, dual meaning, other meaning change. Because of this weight prefix. This is the regarding the prefix. Because of the past in the Samāsa, we will study the regarding the prefix. Okay, finish.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one we study the Samāsa. Samāsa is generally the six types. Abhyayi Bhava. We already know Abhyaya is referred to the Abhyaya. This Abhyaya is referred to the prefix and indeclined. Prefix means the upasana, indeclined means the nipata. By using this prefix and indeclined particle, combining noun, at the time we create the Abhyayi Bhava Samāsa. Yeah, Abhyayi Bhava Samāsa.
Prefix plus
Prefix, yeah, prefix or indeclined particle plus noun. Prefix or indeclined particle plus noun, we call it the Abhyayi Bhava Samāsa. Yeah. Kamma Dharaya. Second one is the Kamma Dharaya Samāsa. The first you need to familiar with the Pali and later I will give the English translation also. Tiku Samāsa. Tapurisa Samāsa. Aho Bihi. Aho Bihi Samāsa and Dvanda Samāsa. Firstly, we will study with this Abhyai Baba Samāsa. Yeah, Kama Darya Samāsa mostly the noun plus noun. Digumidi number plus noun. Number midi Pali 1, 2, 3, 4 Pali Eka Dviti Dubirja Sata Athanawa Dasa Eka Dasa and so on. Number plus noun. Tabulisa noun plus noun.
It's the same with the second one.
Yeah, a little different later. But generally we find out it. Bahubihini the noun or entities plus noun best meaning change the other meaning. Other meaning. Yeah, Dvanda is the also noun plus noun. Therefore, firstly I said noun plus noun is the 75%.
Yes.
Here, Kama Darya is also one we analyze it 9 times. At the time, adjective plus noun. We familiar with the Mahapurisa is the adjective plus noun. Kama Darya is the adjective plus noun. Therefore, generally, when we talk about the Samāsa, we will say noun plus noun. They will say 75% correct, but another 25% not correct. This is the Abhyai Bhava, Kama Darya, Digu, Tapurisa, Bahubhiya, Dvanda. Surely, Digu means the number plus noun, ever. We already know 3 1, Tiloka. Tio. Loka, Tiloka. Okay, we noted the set types of the Samāsa. Okay, I will find out the why. The part I already explained the Samāsa and Sandhi, what is the differences? Sandhi is why we create Sandhi mean we need to pronounce easily. We use it the Sandhi method. We use the Samāsa mean when we combine the two meanings as well as the word combination. The purpose is when we study the Samāsa, we were familiar with the gender. Gender. What gender? We need to know the gender. Without knowing the gender, we cannot make the definition. We already studied in the diploma, BA, BAB gender, many types of the one gender. What is that mean? Sattva.
Feminine gender.
Sattva, feminine gender. Sometimes this sattva will change it, sattva. Change. This is the sattva, the one can change the sattva at the time. This sattva, surely the tatita word. Because of part to the passive. Sattva can change to the sattva. Sattva is the one word, one noun. Therefore, if they change gender, surely the tatita. Two words change to the gender at the time is the Samāsa, Bahubhi Samāsa. Bahubhi Samāsa can change to the gender. When we made the first, I said it, Tiloka. Tiloka. Tiyo. Loka. Ti. Loka. Or. Ti. Lo. Ka. two-way definition. Here, T and Loka combine. T is the number. This T is also based on gender change. T number change to T saw. T saw. T yo.
Thì đi.
T need. Based on the gender change. This is the masculine. This is the feminine. This is the neuter. Without knowing the gender, we can't. Therefore, we already know it, and we had the chance to apply how many types of the word we already noted the gender. Therefore, the purpose of the first purpose of the gender studying the Samāsa is to note the gender. Every word of the gender, we study the Samāsa. Okay, second one is the to know. To reduce the what and increase the what. Sometimes by using the Samāsa, what will be decrease, reduces. Sometimes by using the Samāsa, what will be increased. Mostly increase one means the ka. Ka letter will be here. Bahu plus nadi. This is the Bahu means the, you know, many. Nadi means the river, many river. But when we combine the Samāsa, sometimes will be here. Bahu nadi. Kai automatically appear. Okay, you need to know that these two terms. To know the gender, every one of the gender, you already know it, but in the previous year, you already know, but you didn't apply in your daily life. But when you are talking about this something Samāsa, you need to note it. Even in Sabe, you recite it every day. Sabe, Purisa, Sabha, 80yo. Because of the 80yo, Sabe change into Sabha. For the masculine, Sabe. For the feminine, Sabha. These are also, you already noted. After studying the Samāsa, whatever you recite, you read it, you can note it easily. Okay, this is the Samāsa. This is, yeah.
The Bahu plus nadi saw the long vowel change and become the soft vowel, right?
Oh yes, this is also change into the short Bahu Natika.
And nadi, when we add, we insert one ka, that means the e change long vowel become the soft vowel.
Yes.
E become the
Yes.
rasa.
You mean that this E also change the short, this is also change the short.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is that you noted, but now we study that according to the Usoda, we change this E change into E. This U change into U. We will study. Because of the U, if you write the thesis, you need to explain according to the Usoda.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Teyo. T is change into Teyo Usoda. According to the this stone, they saw, that saw. According to the Soda. And Loka, you need to explain it like that. Therefore, first you already noted, but not the together with the references. Now you need to study it together with the references.
Yeah. So when we insert each class and
This massacre,
yes.
next week Monday.
No, I mean while the Bahu plus 90, so we need to increase the cat. So automatically cat. I want to know exactly with the K we increase the cat and
Oh.
cat.
นาที
Nati, because sometimes Nati is also river. Bahu is many here. Bahu Natika is also many river. But this river is referred to here is the when we translated the many river. Only this. Because of this car, a place where there are many river. Many river. Here, just two why the many refer to the meaning of the many river. After becoming the Bahu Nadi, refer to the place. Refer to the place. Change the meaning.
So if the word like the Bahu Uppala, that means when we come out to word Uppala means floated, right?
Yes.
So when we come out to word Bahu Uppala, cat, that means
ลง
Passive. We can create it. We can create it. Bahu and Opala at the time many lotus flower only. But if you put it in Bahu Opalaka,
yeah.
at the time someone who has many lotus flower, you can create it. Change the meaning. But originally it doesn't. We can create it. This is the original Pali that we can see that usually the Bahu Opalaka is not in the original Pali that we cannot find. But you can create it. If you want to refer to the, okay, for example, dandy, danda. Danda means the stick. Stick. No, not the punishment. That means the, at the time, dandy change into dandy at the time, one who hold the stick. Part of the passive.
How about the Dandika?
Yeah, Dandika also.
Yeah.
Because this is the two types. This is Dadidawa, E and Ika. Dandi and Dandika. Two what can use. After studying the Samāsa, we can easily the Dadida easy. Because of the Yabobi Samāsa and Asadi Dadida are the nearly same. Okay, you noted the this is today that just introduction. Types of the Samāsa and Sandi combination a little different. Purpose of the Samāsa is to know the gender, every word of the gender, and to reduce word and to increase the word. This is the purpose to study the Samāsa. We will study. Just 10 minutes. Okay, I will go a little more. The parcel that. According to the Patarupa Seki. What is the parcel in the
Say it down.
Yeah?
Đừng.
She feel very cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, Sarah. I change. No, but that is.
Yeah, find it directly to her.
But then can you move? I move over there.
Okay. Come. You don't like the cold?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I like cold. The past way the Abhyayi Bhava Samāsa. Abhyayi Bhava Samāsa. Abhyaya plus Bhava plus Samāsa.
Cannot see.
After combining this is the change into E.
Yes, better.
Here, I think here this is cool. Okay, I'm going to hide.
It's okay, Sarah. It's nearly finished class.
Yeah. Okay. Abhyaya means the preface. Upa, Saka,
But second.
and Nipada.
Only
Upasaka, we had that 20. Nipada, countless. So many. We cannot count Nipada. Yeah, Bhava and E. Abhyaya Bhava Samāsa is the Abhyaya plus noun. Abhyaya plus noun. Therefore, according to that, Sutta number 330, you can find it in 330, Upasaka Nipada Pupago Abhyaya Bhava. You need to find your book because of the later you need to make a reference according to this Sutta. Upasaka Nipada Pupago Abhyaya Bhava. FCC. Okay, I'm going to make a translation. This Upasaka Nipada Pupago Abhyaya Bhava. Pupago Abhyaya Bhava. Sutta is the like that, but between the Upasaka Nipada Pupago. Between them we will put it the Samāsa. When we translate it, Abhyaya Bhava. Okay. Yeah, Popaka. Popa means the. Normally we say it. East is also we call it the Popa. East direction. Popa. In the 32 part of the body, pass. P-U-S pass. In Myanmar, P. This is also Popa. But here put it the gut. Because of the gut. Not refer to the past and east direction. Here, because of the card, change into the key meaning. Key sense. Key sense, and he will, those types of the Upasaka will be appear in the front. R-O-N-T, in front. In front, out. Therefore, Abhyaya Bhava means this Abhyaya will be appear in the in front of. Okay, example is the Upa plus Nagara. Samāsa is the Upa Nagara. In the Samāsa, Upa prefix is the in front. Not only the in front, when they translate it, this Upa meaning the key meaning. Translated the meaning the Upa meaning the Miya. Nagara meaning the city. Therefore, when we translate, near the city. This meaning only the part of the near meaning, not the city meaning. Key is the near meaning. Therefore, this Upasaka in the according to the word order will be appear in the in front of the noun. And when we translated that, this one, this Upa meaning is the key meaning. Another is the predominant. Yes. Key or predominant. Therefore, Abhyaya Bhava Samāsa is the when we translate this sentence. Upasaka Nipada Pupago. particle. There is the prefixes and indeclinable particle in front of the Samāsa. It is called Abhyayibhava Samāsa. Upasaka Nipada Bubuko Abhyayibhava. That sutta means there is the prefix and indeclinable particle in front of the Samāsa. It is called the Abhyayibhava Samāsa. According to this sutta, this is the giving the name sutta, not the special meaning. When we see the other example, we can get this. Bahi Nagara. Bahi means the outside. Nagara means the city, outside of the city. Just appear Bahi at the in front, Nagara at the later. Just seeing the what appearance, we cannot distinguish, we cannot decide it. This is the Abhyayibhava Samāsa. By seeing the meaning translation, outside of city, outside of the city. Because of the outside of the city, this outside is the key meaning. Therefore, after seeing the past word and meaning translation, we can decide, we can distinguish, oh, surely this is the Bahavi Samāsa, we can distinguish. We need to know the two. Therefore, just seeing the word, oh, by seeing the word, we can distinguish. Without knowing the meaning also, we cannot distinguish. Samadhi, we need to know the meaning also. Without knowing the meaning, we cannot distinguish.
Outside of Bahi Nagara is Bahu.
Bahavi Samāsa. Okay, this is the one of the grammarian opinion.
But we are staying in the Abhaya Bhava Samāsa.
Abhyayibhava. Yeah. Bahi is the Nipada. Yes.
Yeah.
Because of the Bahi, the Nipada, we call it this is the Abhyayibhava Samāsa.
No Pali, Abhyayibhava Samāsa.
Okay, another example I will find. Ando pasada. Ando. And that.
Okay.
This is if you see the ando and that. And that and ando. This ando is also really stay the ando stand, not the anda stand. Ando. This is the nipada together with the indeclinable particle. Pasada means the palace or house or mansion. Therefore, ando means the inside of the palace. Therefore, according to the one order, here ando is the nipada first, and pasada is the noun second. One order is the can be one possible, Abhyayibhava Samāsa, and then we can think about or we trying to translate at the time inside of the palace. Based on the translation also, two features already included. Oh, we can decide it, this is the surely the Abhyayibhava Samāsa. Okay, the first sutta is the Upasaka Nipada Bhoga Abhyayibhava. To create or to know the Abhyayibhava Samāsa was prefix or indeclinable particle must be the past word. Second word must be the noun. Therefore, prefix or indeclinable particle plus noun. This is the first feature. Okay, when we decided this, we can notice this is the past tense of the picture of the or picture or characteristic of the abhyayi bhava samasa. Okay, this is the one feature. I already said by studying the samasa, key time is to know the gender, how to make the gender. Okay. Yeah. Later I will continue. Okay, today let's not yet. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. We have the Bible group. If you have something, you can send this Bible group.
Yeah. Sayadaw,
Yeah.
Maybe Monday, Sayadaw Unodi will take class from 4 to 5.
4 to 5?
Yes.
Every?
Yes.
Okay.
Not
So-
every.
You need to change. No, normally Sayadaw will take 4 to 5.
Okay. So you want to change the about the Tuesday and